Good evening, everyone. We are going to start a new program for kids. Before we start, we just want to have your consent. Consent is when we are just giving permission to other friends, parents, and even grandparents. Grandma wants to have a hug, but our little Bunny does not want to give, and she's not in a mood to give a hug to grandma. That's okay. You do not have to give hugs if you do not want to. Bunny, are you in a mood to give hug to Ballerina?
Yes.
Can you give a hug to Ballerina, please?
Yeah.
Grandma leans and say, you can give me a kiss, but Ajuni is not in a mood. We have to take consent from Ajuni. Do you want to kiss? If she
Yeah.
says no, it is okay.
I want a kiss.
You want to kiss? Okay, you can kiss Ballerina. Grandpa is not here. Auntie and uncle wants to sit next to them. But if they do not want sitting next to them, it is okay to say, I do not want to sit next to you. Is it okay? That is called consent. Mom's friends give Finn a present, and it does not mean he has to hug or kiss that person because he has given the gift. If he says, I do not want to give the kiss or the hug, it is okay. That is called consent of a child. So, Bani, today are you giving us the consent to start a program?
I'm gonna start a program today.
You are going to start a program?
Yeah.
How are you feeling today? How are you feeling?
Good.
You're feeling good. And today you are just feeling very good. Some days people are feeling very excited. What do you think Ballerina is feeling?
She's feeling really nice.
All four of us, we have the consent to start the program. Bani, I want to show in Anishinaabe culture, which is the First Nation culture, the month of May is a flowering moon month. And you know what they say? They say, Wa Bigwani. Can you say Wa Bigwani?
Wapagwani.
I just said good evening. That is the greeting. We do it in English. But we can do the greeting in French. Do you know the greeting in French? Yes, Supreet, do you know the greeting in French?
Bonjour.
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 Bonjour. Very nice. The Islamic people, when they are greeting, they say Salam Alaikum.
Someone go.
Ankita can say Salam Alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
That's a greeting in Arabic. Your turn. Can you just say the greeting in Punjabi?
Shashika.
Sat Sri Akal. Ballerina, can you just say Namaste, which is a greeting in Hindi?
Namaste.
Namaste. Very nice, Ballerina. You are learning so many languages. You are really multicultural, Ballerina. The Spanish people, they say hola. Can you say
Hola.
hola? You said the Spanish greeting very nicely, hola. And you know the Greek people, they are all in Canada. They can see the greetings in Greek and they say ya. And you know in Gujarati, we can say the greetings. And you have a Gujarati friend, right? The friend is not here today, but she will be joining in your next program. And you know how they greet people? They say, Kem cho.
Kecho.
This is how we play. But I want to hear how you play with your friends. Do you take turns?
I take turns here, Mama.
Do you take turns?
Yes.
Do you say the word please?
Mama, can you do this? Please, can you help
Thank
me?
you. That's
you
the way to
please-
say when we are
Can you
saying.
please hold my ballerina?
You know, Ballerina has to know how to be a big kid. You are a big kid?
No.
You're not a big kid?
No.
So do you want to grow a big kid?
No.
You want to stay where you are?
Yes.
Okay. But how will you just grow a big to learn new things? Dinosaur has never brushed his teeth. And for thousands of years, Look at the teeth for the dinosaur. Can you see the teeth for the dinosaur? We'll be talking about dinosaur
But do
and
you
the
have a
claws.
toothbrush?
And the dinosaurs, they have their natural way of brushing
But
their
do you
teeth.
have a toothbrush?
I do not have a toothbrush today. Dinosaur, do you clean your teeth with your claws? Yes, dinosaur. Are you not talking? Can you show your beautiful teeth? I think Bunny is scared of the dinosaur. Are you? Are you scared? Are you scared? All the feelings are coming from the heart.
I'm
Whose heart?
scared.
Dinosaur heart or Bunny's heart?
My heart.
Your heart. You're absolutely right. Do you have a name for this doggy?
Bingo.
Just give me the...
B-I-N-G-O. 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 And Bingo. What's his name?
B-I-N-G-O. Everyone.
B-I-N-G-O.
No, let's clap and then sing. We will just sing. Let's clap and sing. B-I-N-G-O. 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 And Bingo was his name. There was a doggy in my house. Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O. 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 And Bingo was his name. Oh, she said hello in so many languages. How are you? She was fine and nice. And she was thirsty and she had water for sure. She communicated. She was thirsty and then, is it time to go for bed? Is it time to go for your bed?
No.
I want to go outside. Is it true?
Yeah.
Do you want to be alone or with Ballerina?
I want to be alone.
You want to be alone? Is Ballerina feeling angry?
Yes.
Is she?
Yes.
She was not noisy at all. And you were just talking about washing the hands.
I don't want to wash hands.
And now we don't want to. Did you take a shower or will you take shower in the evening?
We'll take it in evening.
Evening. Are you watching a TV?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay. That is the communication. Do you want to go home?
Yeah.
You want to go home now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love the program.
You love the program. It is time to read
Love
this
it.
book. And this book, can you see? It has got 3 colors. Let's start. You know, Islamic thing starts from this
Blue.
side and goes to the left side. And in English, we start from this side and we go this side.
Now can you tell the colors?
Can you tell the colors?
Red,
And?
blue,
And?
yellow.
Okay, if we had to read from Islamic thing, we will start with the yellow color.
Let's try again.
Okay.
Yellow,
Then?
blue, red.
Oh, wonderful. It was wonderful to have greetings in so many cultures and we had learned the manners. Please and thank you. And you just talked about your daily routines.
Can we-
Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye to Ballerina?
Bye.
बाय सत श्री अकाल सलाम वालेकुम ये प्रोग्राम देखने का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप अपना फीडबैक बताइए कि आपके बच्चे क्या सीखना चाहते हैं तो हम अपने प्रोग्राम में उसको शामिल करेंगे You can just send your feedbacks on this program and we will try to include the topics you would like to discuss with the kids on this TV show. Thank you.